Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Our readings today both ended with a commendation to Israel and to describe who faced this question to Jesus: what are the greatest commandments in the law? The first reading ended with the words, "Let him who is wise understand these things. Let him who is prudent know them." And after described, answered that indeed to love God with all of his being and to love his neighbor with all of his self, Jesus commended him that he saw that this man answered with understanding. At malinaw naman po ang kagustuhan ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin, na hindi tayo mabuhay ng mangmang, ng walang alam, ng pumapanig sa kasinungalingan, kundi ang nais niya ay mabuhay tayo sa kung ano ang totoo, kung ano ang dapat, kung ano naman talaga ang nasa puso ng Diyos. And we saw what were their secrets. The Lord reminded him, if you indeed wanted to be wise, then you heed my commandments. You forgive all iniquity. You save and help the poor. You know the commandments of the Lord. And indeed, we saw that balance in that conversation with Jesus and the scribe. If you wanted to live a wise and a fully understanding life, then strike the balance of loving God and of your neighbor. Kaya nga po tayo nag-aral simula ho ng ating buhay. Kaya patuloy tayong nagsasaliksik sa buhay na ito. Kaya tayo natututo sa karanasan, sa salita ng Diyos, sa mga bagay sa paligid natin, dahil ang paghuhubog ho ng Diyos, ang paghuhubog ng buhay, ay para mabuhay tayo ng may kaalaman. Hindi naman ho tayo mabubuhay sa fake news. Hearsay, words from left and right will not form our hearts to have an understanding and knowledgeable heart. Chismis will not either make us knowledgeable in this life, and such will just make us liars, ignorant of one or of each other. But every day of our lives, sisters and brothers, God is speaking to us, life is teaching us, experience and everything is teaching us, so that we can have knowledge, so that we can be wise in this life. Lalo't higit po, kapag ka natututo tayong mahalin ng Diyos at mahalin ang mga nasa paligid din ho natin, mas umaambag yan sa ating kaalaman at sa ating karunungan. Not only from books, but on how we deal with each other, on how you love the one beside you, on how you understand and take care of each other. That contributes to a deepening of our knowledge and to a deepening of our wisdom. Ituro ho natin ang daan ng kaalaman at hindi ang kamangmangan. It is the wish of God that we live every day of our lives wise and understanding with all of these things. To love God and to love each other, such will contribute to a life of wisdom and to a life filled with knowledge.